take him to the hotel to make sure they're okay. But this is not good, ma. Oh, that's why immediately I told them that you need to be shifted to the hotel and then put them. This is not the way. I mean, I'm not happy with this at all.
Mari on pai in New Delhi, Menteri Rangba Jala Meghalaya Conrad ke sangma akamit artrik jumang arca arfuar lahir CCN kompleks 10 bancurep hidel di ya rukom pynkhreh ke Meghalaya Games nang bentagi nang akai kibuan nak district befer-fer tak bapun pau bo umstunat di geni rukom pynkhreh kamtam hadin ke jingyo bani kran bikinong akai Menteri Rangba ula kular ban pynkhreh iki nang tei syakicakasa ki bakhambyang hakadi jingjurep Menteri Rangba ulai kenduru kinong lam ke HYC ki balapan pau u ya kejumbam byang ke rukom pynkhreh nak bentagi galumpu akai kaban sedang nadu kalai trek urjemang arjar arfuar.
I mean, most of these boys message me directly. They got my access number directly.
These boys from, I think, from Garhwals only. They told us that they'll be leaving now. They won't be taking part because it's pathetic the condition that they are putting up.
Oh, that's why immediately I told them that you need to be shifted to the hotel and then put them. This is not the way. I mean, I'm not happy with this at all. This is very, very.
I mean, I think everyone, sir, not only here. There's accommodation made in MSOA office also. I mean, both boys and girls are being kept in the same building, and the toilet there's no provision for water also. I mean,
that was a shift just now.
That's what, but they should not be shifted there, no, sir, tonight. I mean, there should arrangement should have been made from the beginning. No? I mean, you have to see the condition of the building. It's leaking. I mean, the boys cannot sleep there.
And bathrooms.
Bathroom pathetic.
My sports team made this place. There's no hotel book attached to it. There's no hotel attached to it. Problem with this take him to the hotel to make sure they're okay. But this is not good, ma. Should have been worked out properly before.